Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on helmet. A helmet is something you wear on your head to stay safe. You wear a helmet when you ride a bike or scooter. Helmets are also used for sports like football and hockey. Helmets protect your head from getting hurt. They come in different sizes and colors. Make sure your helmet fits your head well. Always buckle the chin strap to keep it on. Some helmets have holes to keep your head cool. Get a new helmet if yours gets broken. Wearing a helmet helps you stay safe while having fun. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.